Do you love garlic and think it should be on everything? Have you tried all the fanciest gizmos and gimmicks like this? And this contraption? Or that cheap paring knife that you slice your fingers on? You just need this, a chef's knife. Remember to keep the pinch grip that I explained in the previous video. You just want to take the root end off, like an onion. And you just lightly hit the garlic clove, and the skin should come right off. Again, trim off the root end, and then lightly hit the garlic clove, and the skin should come right out. Yeah! Now just smash the garlic clove, and start cutting. And remember, while you're cutting, to keep that claw grip. Keep those fingers out of the way. Put your hand on top of the knife and rock it back and forth, this way and that, until you get as small of a mince as you'd like. And remember, wipe food off of the knife away from the blade. To crush garlic into a paste, put a little kosher salt on it, and then just start crushing it by running your knife over it and over it again until it gets down to the consistency that you want. A paste. That was easy, right? To slice garlic, just very thinly slice it and keep those fingers out of the way. I don't know how else to put it. Take your time and be careful. Or you can use a mandoline slicer like this. It's got a food holder with all these neat little stabby things so that you can hold your food and slice it while keeping your fingers safe and out of the way. On all these mandoline slicers, you can adjust the thickness of the cut as well. To slice garlic on the mandoline, keep your fingers well out of the way. Get a good-sized garlic clove and hold it way up at the tip. Take your time and slice slowly and carefully. It's okay to stop slicing if you have a little chunk of garlic left. It's much better to keep those fingers safe. Now in this video, I used my fingers. I'm comfortable with that. You have to do what's right for you. If you're not comfortable using your fingers around the mandoline or you don't feel it's safe, then don't do it. Use the food holder or just use a knife. But either way, take your time and be careful of those fingers. Slice garlic a couple of different ways. In minced garlic, this is how you prep garlic. Garlic, do it.